Good morning, student. This is Dr. Ritu. Today, a topic of discussion is about drug interaction. We will discuss them in detail. Relevance of this topic in your exam, it will be covered in your paper as a long question or maybe as a short note. First, we discuss drug interaction. That is, drug interaction can be desired, reduced, or unwanted effects. The probability of interaction increases with the number of drug taken. So, in pharmacological term, drug interaction occur when one drug alters the pharmacological effect of another drug, and the pharmacological effect of one or both drug may be increased or decreased, or a new and unanticipated adverse effect may be produced. So the interaction between drug can lead to serious unwanted effect. Interaction between drug can lead to serious unwanted effect or to reduction in the therapeutic effect. Okay. So, the drug interaction occurs because the drug are interact during pharmacokinetic processing and pharmacodynamic actions. First, we discuss the main causes of these interactions. The causes of interaction are the main causes of these unwanted drug interactions are wrong choice of drug, wrong doses, wrong route of administration, error in taking the drug. So these are the main causes of these drug interaction. Okay, clear? So drug interaction may result from pharmacokinetic interaction or pharmacodynamic actions. So in the pharmacodynamic action, the drug action through receptor, drug action through enzymes. So these all are related to drug interaction. Okay. First, we discuss drug interaction during pharmacokinetic interaction. In pharmacokinetic interaction, a drug usually alter absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. In short form, we can these process is called ADME. ADME, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Okay, so the drug interaction during absorption, mainly absorption, interaction during drug absorption may lower the amount of drug absorbed and decrease therapeutic effectiveness. So in the drug absorption interaction, the example, that is antibiotic tetracycline is taken along with substance such as milk or antacid. So milk, some ions are present in milk or antacid like calcium, magnesium or aluminium ion, and these ion bind with tetracycline drug. Tetracycline is an antibiotic drug, and these metal ion which are present into the antacid drugs are bind with tetracycline and produce an insoluble product that is very poorly absorbed from the GIT, that is gastrointestinal tract. So when these drugs, tetracycline and antacids, are given together, are affect the action of each other, affect the pharmacokinetic process, that is absorption, and the effect of the tetracycline is decreases because tetracycline bind with these metal ion which are present into the antacid drug, and these metal ion when bind with tetracycline drug, they form an insoluble product, and this product is poorly absorbed from the GIT. Okay, so this is the drug interaction during drug absorption. The second interaction during drug distribution. Okay, so distribution process in the distribution, drug interaction during distribution, when drug enter from blood to different tissues and organs, and drug interaction may affect drug distribution, which is determined largely by protein binding, because most of the drug in blood are bind with proteins. So many drugs are bound to protein in the blood, like albumin proteins. If two drugs bind with the same proteins and given together, they can alter the distribution of each other within the body. Okay, for example, the diazepam drug given with phenytoin drug, and both diazepam drug and phenytoin drug binding with the same proteins, and diazepam drug displace phenytoin from plasma proteins and resulting in an increased plasma concentration of phenytoin drug. So the concentration of phenytoin is increases into the blood, and they increases the effect of phenytoin and also increases the risk of toxicity. So drug interaction during distribution is also affect the action of drug and increases action of the drug and increases the risk of toxicity. Okay, the next interaction during drug metabolism. One drug can decrease or increase the metabolism of other drug by enzymatic activity, and some drug act as a enzyme inhibitor and some drug act as a enzyme inducer. Okay, so if metabolism of a drug is inhibited, it will remain longer in the body, so that its concentration will increases if it continue to be taken. Okay, clear? When one drug increases the enzymatic activity of the another drug, okay, and some other drug can increases the formation of enzyme that metabolize other drug, okay, and increasing the metabolism of a drug can decrease its body concentration and its therapeutic effect. Okay, so one drug can increase metabolism of other drug and leading to decreased effect of other drug. So when the drug are given together, they metabolized with same enzyme, so one drug alter the metabolism of another drug and the one drug metabolism is decreases, okay, or maybe increases. So these drug interaction during metabolism is also affected the metabolism of another drug. Okay, Next, interaction of drug during excretion. So excretion interaction primarily involve change in renal excretion. This might be due to drug induced reduction in glomerular filtration rate. So finally, in the case of drug excreted by the kidney, one drug may alter kidney function in such a manner that the excretion of another drug is increased or decreased. So for example, when two drugs given together and both are excreted by same process, so naturally one will inhibit excretion of other drug and the concentration of other drug in the body will be increases and leading to increased effect or even toxicity. Okay, so drug excretion is also affected the drug interaction. Next, second process related to the drug interaction, that is pharmacodynamic interaction. Pharmacodynamic interaction are those in which drug influence each other effect directly. Okay, for example, if person getting halothane drug and given adrenaline drug may causes serious cardiac arrhythmia. So when both drug halothane and adrenaline are given together, adrenaline causing serious cardiac arrhythmia. So this is all about the drug interaction during pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic process. While it is important to recognize that drug interaction can cause many adverse effects, it is also important to point out that there are a number of therapeutically beneficial drug interaction. One common example of this beneficial interaction, that is high blood pressure drug, antihypertensive drug are often given in combination because some of the side effects produced by one drug are overcome by the action of other drug. So not all drug interaction is harmful, but some drug combination is also used for beneficial purpose. Okay, thank you.